Still doing everything the slow way? These 5 keyboard shortcuts can literally save you 30 minutes a day. Maybe more. Let's speed things up. I'm Barnett with ITCubed. Subscribe now for quick IT tips that make your workday smoother, faster, and way less frustrating. Stick with me, we're skipping the basics and diving into shortcuts you'll wish you learned years ago. Your fingers and your calendar will thank you. Tip number 1, is your screen looking a little cluttered? Press Windows plus D to minimize everything so you can get to your desktop. Then hit it again to bring all your windows back. It's great for quickly hiding clutter and opening files on the desktop. Did you accidentally close a browser tab? Press Ctrl Shift and T and boom, it's all back. Works multiple times to reopen recently closed tabs. Tip number 3, did you copy something and forget what it was? Windows plus V opens your clipboard history. No more losing copy text, just make sure the clipboard history is turned on in settings. Tip number 4, in Word, Outlook, and even Gmail, Ctrl K opens the insert link window instantly. It's a huge time saver for anyone sending links all day. Tip number 5, want to flip between apps like a pro? Alt plus Tab cycles through your open windows. It's faster than your mouse and easier on your wrist. Bonus tip, learn just one shortcut a week and build muscle memory. Next up, do you want to stop your computer from slowing down over time? Watch this video on managing startup apps like a pro. Let's review. Windows plus D to minimize and maximize all your windows at once. Control plus Shift plus T to open a recently closed tab. And then Windows plus V to look up your clipboard history. Control plus K to open the insert link window instantly. And Alt Tab to cycle through open tabs. Try them out today and claim back your lost time. Like, comment your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.